this video, I'm going to show you how to scan your documents and using your phone and save them as a PDF file. It's simple and free. You download an app, DocScan. Then you launch the app. So just go to your Play Store, type DocScan, and you will see them. Then you download. So when you open the app, like these are apps that I've already saved, that I've already scanned and saved. So now I have my documents here that I'm going to scan, then save. This is just for an example for this video, to show you how it's done. Alright, so now the app is open. You click this camera logo there, and once you click on it, it turns on the camera for you to scan your documents. Okay, so I have this sample of document here that I want to scan. Alright, so let me scan. Just like taking a picture. Alright, so if it's just a document you want to scan, once you snap, then you click the arrow that goes to the right. But for this video, let me use 3 documents. So let me take another one. Alright, let me take the last one. Alright, so now we are done scanning the documents. So we'll click this blue button, this blue arrow button pointing to the right. Alright, so now you have options if you should auto crop or no crop. So you allow it on the auto crop and you click OK. Alright, so here now is left for you to crop it the way you want. So this auto crop that's done here is not how I want it, so I just have to reshape it the way I want, like that. Alright, so this is better, is okay like this. Alright, so we'll move to the next document. You click on next, arrange it the way you want, like that. So it's simple and efficient, don't need to start looking for a printer. Okay, so click the next button, move to the next document, arrange it the way you want. Just how you want it, do it that way. Alright, let's click on next. Alright, so now we have options on how we want our documents to look like the quality of documents. So we have options of the original. You can see the original here. Then you have a document that is in docs. For me, I like using this one because this one makes the document come out clean and neat. Then you have it, if you want it to be like an image, click on image, you see it there. Super, you see it there. Enhance, you see it there. So for me, I would prefer the super or the docs, but I like going with the docs. Alright, so if you want to edit the name, to name it, you click on at the top right, you see this pencil, you click on it, then you can name it whatever you want to name it. just name my example document. Alright, saved. Okay. Alright, so when you're done with all that, you click on the done button. Now it's processing. It's processing the documents, saving them. So we'll have to wait till the process is done. Alright, so it's done now. So before you click on the done button, you have options. You can either add more pages, as you can see there, or you can share your documents. You click on the share button, you can share through your WhatsApp, Facebook. Then if you want to preview, you can preview it, you can email it, you can put a watermark on it or your signature. Then if you want to save it to your phone, because if you don't save it to your phone, you can't see it in your phone unless you come to the app itself before you can locate it. But if you want it saved in your phone, you click on save to local. Now it's saving to your phone. You can find it in your phone. Yes, it's showing you where it's saved. Alright, so now you can click done. Alright, so you have your documents here. You can as well subsequently you can add other documents to them if you want. That's why you have this option of add pages, which can add pages at any time that you want. Alright, so that's it on how to scan documents with your phone instead of looking for a printer. Subscribe, share for more of these updates and tutorials. Thank you.